Did you know NASA designed perfume smells like outer space? "99% of solar system mass is the sun." Lhasa, Tibet is also called as the Forbidden City of the world. The founder of Levi's Jeans never wore his own creation. There is a diamond floating in our galaxy that is bigger than Earth. For the 186 days of the year, the sun is not visible at the North Pole. There are tons of misspelling on Stanley Cup. Paranormal Activities is the second most profitable film of all time. Snail teeth are the strongest natural material on Earth. One of the strongest leaves of the world, Victoria water lily. Rowan Atkinson, as known as Mr. Bean, has the voice of Zuzu in Lion King. The human chess game played in 1924, the game took 5 hours and ended in a draw. In Australia, there are spiders that are so big that they can eat snakes. In Belgium, bricks are used as blankets. Gmail was previously called as Graphid Mail. You can tell the temperature by counting a cricket's chirp. In Japan, there is a spa where you can swim in tea, coffee, and wine. Human hair is almost indestructible except the fact that it is inflammable. Bamboo tree is the fastest growing tree in the world. Crocodiles are more closely related to birds than they are to lizards. It's against the law to die in town named Longyearbyen, Norway. You can see owl's eyeball through its ears. Humans are the only mammals that can digest milk after infancy. Black cats are considered to bring good luck in Japan. Red wine has ability to kill cancer cells. This is the first flower grown in space.